All right, welcome back to a brand new series called Get Real with Dishan. And this is the first episode of it. From today, we are starting a new journey called Get Real with Dishan, in which you will get daily videos and updates of how we are progressing through our bulk and also our value packed talks from me so that you don't do the same mistakes that I did in life as well as in doing things that you are supposed to do. Let's get started. Motivation is useless. You are motivated today, but tomorrow you are useless. But discipline, that's what separates winners from the losers. If you are waiting for the motivation, you'll never change your life. I mean, think about it. आप एक रील देखते हो, आप 5 मिनट के लिए पंप हो जाते हो, बट वही आपको सुबह में 6 बजे उठना रहता है या काम के बाद जिम जाना रहता है, तब वो मोटिवेशन कहाँ गायब हो जाता है. डिसिप्लिन मीन्स whether you feel like doing or not, you have to do it. The motivation is a temporary dopamine spike that creates focus in your brain, and whereas discipline keeps you consistent. बहुत टाइम तक अगर आप डिसिप्लिन को सही से फॉलो कर रहे हो, then you also get good results. But motivation is a very short term spike that gives you a pump of 5 minutes. 5 मिनट में आपका motivation khatam, and then you start again scrolling, which is the biggest trap in this time. People my age or younger or even older all are addicted to phone. आप देखते हो कहीं आप जा रहे हो, ट्रेन, बस, रिक्शा, कैब, कार, एवरीवेयर, जब ट्रैफिक होती है लोग क्या करते हैं? Why? क्योंकि this is a trap that is designed, क्योंकि लोगों का और कहीं ध्यान ही नहीं जाएगा इसके अलावा. They get short term of dopamine by just scrolling और वो 10 काम और करना है. They won't take it seriously, right? आपको give yourself a detox of at least 72 hours and see how much time you have that you're wasting. When you do something every day without the hype, that creates respect to yourself. You start respecting yourself. आप अपनी इज्जत करने लग जाते हो क्योंकि आप वो काम कर रहे हो जो आपको करना है. आप अपने मन की नहीं सोच रहे हो कि मेरा करने का मन है या नहीं. The things that has to be done is done. That's when you start respecting yourself as a man. When you look in the mirror and say, this person doesn't quit, that create instant self-respect, and you view yourself as a higher person than you are before. You might not see the results today or tomorrow, but 100 days in, your physique changes, your bank account changes, and your life changes. This is from personal experience. Give it a shot. Try 100 days. 100 days all in, yeah, all out. Go all in and then look. Your physique, your bank account, and your life, and your mindset. Everything totally changes. What's the catch? Discipline, consistency. You start viewing things differently, like you used to before. You are not that average kid that views things like every other people thinks. तुम ऐसी चीज़ों को देखते हो and try करते हो कि what benefit I can provide or I can get to myself. साल खत्म होने के लिए अपने पास almost 95 days है. 95 is a big number. Join me and start the journey. Cause time तो जा रहा है, ये वापस नहीं आएगा. The best thing is you start now and focus. By the time the year ends, you will be proud of yourself, and I will be grateful too, because you started and I helped you. Once you're disciplined, what comes next? When you build consistency, आप सेम चीज कर करके बोर होने लग जाते हो. एंड एक टाइम पे मैं भी बहुत बोर हो जाता था एंड मैं चीजें छोड़ देता था बीच में. लाइक 4 दिन करके आई वॉज बोर्ड, मैं छोड़ देता था. मैं डाइट प्रॉपर नहीं थी, जिम बराबर कंसिस्टेंसी से नहीं जाता था, ना पढ़ाई. आई वॉज एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ माई लाइफ वेयर मैं कुछ चीजें ढंग से नहीं कर रहा था. हर चीज मैं एक हफ्ता करता था एंड मैं छोड़ देता था. कॉलेज 1 हफ्ता गए, कॉलेज छोड़ दिए. पढ़ाई आज करने बैठे 10 मिनट बाद पढ़ाई छोड़ दिए, because you get bored when you get consistent. So how to tackle that? I'll tell you. Hear me out here. When you are bored and you still show up, that is when you create your version of yourself that people respect. You start respecting yourself at the time you discipline, but people start respecting you when you are bored, but you still show up. You're still accountable for the things that have to be done, and you make sure that the things that have to be done are done. You brush your teeth, you eat food, you sleep. You still do this thing every day without clapping for yourself. Why? Because you know, once you stop doing these things, you will stink, you will decay, right? It's the same with your future. Work, gym, studies. This is the hygiene for your future. Imagine a boxer. वो सुबह 6 बजे उठ रहा है, इसके लिए नहीं क्योंकि उसको स्किटिंग बहुत पसंद है, या उसको रनिंग बहुत पसंद है, या उसको ट्रेनिंग करना बहुत पसंद है. When the time comes, जब वो एज में स्टेप इन करेगा, उसका अपोनेंट ये परवाह बिल्कुल नहीं करेगा कि उसको 6 बजे उठना बोर हो रहा था, उसको लेजी फील हो रहा था. He won't care, he will beat the shit out of him. That's how life works, my friend. So yeah, these same things applies to your life. One day the opportunity will come, but the question is, will you be ready for it or you're not? Because if you're not, the opportunity will be handed to someone who is ready for it, and opportunities doesn't come every single day. You have to create it. So are you ready for it? If not, you start grinding. The next time you feel bored, that's the moment you are separating yourself from the average people. Stay logged in. This is the first episode of Get Real with Kishan. See you tomorrow.